Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ilyas, and this is your 28th tutorial. And I assume you guys were following along and you walked through this course. So I assume you watched all the previous videos and you tried to code by yourself as well. So that's why I want to say, guys, you did a good job. You did a really good job following this course. And this is already 28th tutorial, so we are done with more than half of this tutorial course. So so far we learned lots of functions and features of jQuery, and but today there is something more, like something trickier is gonna come, and we are going to start. I say start learning AJAX. Probably lots of people heard about AJAX and you guys don't know what it is. And you can either go to Wikipedia and read this article on AJAX, which is, well, I don't think you will understand a lot. Well, of course you will know the theory about AJAX is and stuff, but well, jQuery provides you lots of built-in functions to work with AJAX, and well, AJAX sounds really complicated. Asynchronic, JavaScript, and XML. What is this? And well, I think jQuery is a very, very good tool even to learn AJAX. And if you are, because every time you learn something complicated, you would prefer to learn it from something simple, right? And since jQuery provides very simple methods to access files on servers asynchronically, and this word asynchronically, it sounds very complicated. Well, you know what asynchronically means, or asynchronical means that you can basically send a request to a server so that the server gives you some data anytime after the page is loaded. Well, normally if this were a server, a web server, and I click reload, what the browser does, it sends a request, a GET request to the server, saying like, "Hey server, can you please send me some packages, some data packages?" And the server says yes, and there's a communication between browser and server. So the browser just gives a feedback to the server, going like, "Hey server, I received this package. I need the next one." And after the page is loaded, that means that this process is done, and the connection interrupts. So the browser doesn't communicate with the server anymore after the page is loaded. So, and like 10 years ago, or I don't know how many years ago, when it was no AJAX, you weren't really able to do this asynchronic request to the server to get some data without loading the page. So, but today and nowadays, AJAX is something very, common, and lots of websites use it. Lots of dynamic websites use it. So today we are going to learn some basics, like very, very basics of AJAX. And as you know, guys, I promised you guys that we will make a text description down here saying like describing what this picture is and stuff. And we are not going to store this text in the web page. That would be very, very easy, and but we are going to load the description asynchronically using jQuery and display it right here. So we are going to start writing functions for jQuery, and I'm afraid we are going to do this in the next tutorial because the time is up and we have only 5 minutes for each video tutorial, maybe 6 in some cases. But anyway, I hope you guys will follow along, because in the next tutorial we are going to learn something very, very awesome, which is AJAX. And well, if you want, you can go ahead and read something on AJAX if you don't know what it is, but you actually don't need to, because you will understand what it is anyway when we start working with it. And then maybe later I will show you guys. I'll just compare the same functionality written in like native JavaScript, and jQuery, and you will see how easy jQuery is to work with AJAX. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You didn't really learn a lot of this tutorial, but now you know some facts and you know what we are going to do, and I hope I explained you well what AJAX is. So I'll see you guys in the 29th tutorial, and I hope you will have fun. So see you later, bye bye.